Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all in our second video of class 6th social studies. I hope I can make this class more enjoyable and understandable to you. During this pandemic, we have already lost our 5 to 6 months. We teachers miss you a lot. It's good that we are connected through these online sessions. Wish to see you soon in classroom. Hope you also love to resume your studies. Okay students, let's get started. In our last video, we had learned about a small introduction of solar system, about stars, how day and night occurs, and constellations. Today we will learn about solar system. The solar system. We came to know that the earth does not have its own heat and light. Where does the earth get its light and heat from? Yes, it is the sun that gives the earth light and heat. The sun is the closest star to the earth, so that the earth receives its light and heat from the sun. Not only the earth but also 7 other planets are moving around the sun. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids forms the solar system. We often call it a solar family, with the sun as its head. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. The sun, the ultimate source of heat and light of the solar system. The surface temperature of the sun is around 6000 degrees Celsius. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Do you know, students, how big the sun is? It is 13 lakhs earths can fit inside the sun. You can imagine that how big the sun is. Think and respond. From the ancient times, people of Hindu religion worship the sun as God. Why? Here we will see the reasons. Unlike the other gods, the sun is seen every day. Sun is the source of all life on earth. The heat of the sun helps plants to prepare their food. The sun rays kills harmful bacteria. Solar energy is used to generate electricity. The sun rays cure many skin diseases. So the people of Hindu religion worship the sun as God. Now, solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance from the sun, the order of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system moves around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner planets. Those are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets are comparatively smaller in size and composed of rocks. The last 4 planets are called as outer planets. Those are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are large and made up of gases and liquids. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is considered as its twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Jupiter is the biggest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. At the bottom of the picture, you can see a hint to remember the order of 8 planets around the Sun. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Take the first letter of the word my. What is the first letter of my? Yes, it is M. M means Mercury. And the second word is very. What is the first letter of very? Yes, it is V. V is Venus. The third letter is educated. What is the first letter of educated? Yes, it is E. E is the earth. Now, just. What is the first letter of just? Yes, it is J. J means Jupiter. Served. What is the first letter of yes? It is yes. Yes means Saturn. Us. First letter of us is U. U means Uranus. And the last letter is noodles. What is the first letter of noodles? You are right. Yes, it is N. N means here Neptune. Okay, students, as you can see in the picture, distance of the planets from Sun. Mercury is 58 million kilometers away from the Sun. Mercury takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun, and it takes 59 days to complete one rotation. Now, Venus. Venus is 108 million kilometers away from the Sun. Venus takes 255 days to complete one revolution, and it takes 243 days to complete one rotation. Now, Earth. Earth is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution, and it takes 1 day to complete one rotation. It has one moon, which is natural satellite. Mars. Mars is 228 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 687 days to complete one revolution, and it takes 1 day to complete one rotation. It has two moons. As you can see in the picture, there is a asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It contains many asteroids. Jupiter. Jupiter is 778 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes about 12 years to complete one revolution and 9 hours 56 minutes to complete one rotation. It has 79 moons, students. Saturn. Saturn is 1427 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 29 years, 5 months to complete one revolution and 10 hours 40 minutes to complete one rotation. It has 82 moons. In that 82 moons, 53 moons are confirmed and 29 moons are yet to be named. Uranus. Uranus is 2869 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 84 years to complete one revolution and 17 hours 14 minutes to complete one rotation. It has 27 moons. And now Neptune. Neptune is 4496 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 164 years to complete one revolution, and to complete a rotation it takes 16 hours 7 minutes. It has 14 moons. Okay students, I have a small work for you. In your textbooks, page number 6, you have an activity there. That is, observe the following picture and name the planets in the boxes given. Name the planets in the appropriate box. Okay students, we will end up here. Till then, keep the doors of learning open. I will meet you in the next session with some new topic and interesting topic. Allah Hafiz.